So my throttle doesn't work. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. I'll be riding it and it'll stop working, but everything works. The display, the horn, the light, everything like that. I've replaced the throttle 3 times now, and it works for a few days and then it stops working. My Eco and Sport switch stopped working a little while ago. I replaced the throttle and it worked for around 2 days and then it shut off again. The throttle stops working. So.
We removed the cover and pulled out the Hall effect sensor. It was clean. You can see there's a little crack in the plastic, but we probed the 3 individual wires from the Hall effect, ground, and then each one of the different Hall effect sensors by back probing it. This is the signal flow that we get. Can you turn the crank?
Oh wait, why is it turning this way now? Out.
So based on the waveform on the screen, it looks like the Hall effect sensors are doing exactly what they're supposed to do. One's off while the other 2 are on, and vice versa. As it rotates, you can see each one turning on and off in rotation.
Oh, what could it be?